In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Fibonacci levels in Exness. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're in their web trading terminal over here, click on this yellow arrow at the bottom left of the chart, which will show the drawings toolbar. And then you want to click on this third thing over here, which will basically, of course, allow you to draw the Fibonacci levels like this, okay? So just draw them, and then you can go ahead and release. There we go. And then if you click on this gear icon, the cogwheel, to open up the settings, you can then go ahead and stylize it over here. You can set your own colors, set your own numbers over here, and at the bottom you can change between values and percents, etc. Okay, so that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.